Welcome, fellow villains, to the Villaintine's Day extravaganza, hosted by moi. But don't make yourselves comfortable, because I don't pick up after peasants.
Shut the fish up, Priscilla. I only came here because you promised me catnip.
And I only came here because you promised me some shrimp. Ooh, Lord, I need me some good shrimp.
What you need, Squidward, is a balanced diet. You're bigger than the Titanic.
Hold up, Purple Asparagus. Who the fish you talking to? You finna catch these tangles, boy.
Calm down, Ursula. It's just a joke.
Shut the fish up, Green Giant.
Oh, who you talking to? I will make you calamari, biatch.
Hi, yuck. Oh, how I love the shade. I should have brought me some popcorn. Who invited Kung Fu Panda? I don't know. Who invited Saiyans armpit hair?
Who the hell are you talking to, Minnie Mouse? I will chop your head off.
Now, everyone, just calm down. Bendy's a Disney reject, and May Mouse a Gardening too, who's gonna burn in hell. Where's my invitation? How dare you, my trackers did not invite the on and only mistress of all evil. And why are they invite me? Since when were you a villain? Since earlier this year, biatch. Pikachu 2020, humans about to be my slaves. Now, everyone, just shut up. Hey, everyone. Who is you? I'm Bellwether.
Who?
From Zootopia, you know.
Oh, hell no. You want them pathetic new Disney villains.
Who invited you, biatch?
Wasn't me.
Sure wasn't me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Let's all agree to just kill this biatch. Fair. What? Why?